Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME P3 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. So let's go to the three bars icon in the right upper corner. Let's tap on it. And here we've got the second bar, which is connected with the timer. So we've got three different options of 3 and 10 seconds delay. So just let me choose 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option, it will be immediately highlighted. Moreover, it is also shown on this shutter button. So just tap on it, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Moreover, as you can see, we've got an additional countdown. It is, I believe, connected with the night mode. So let me first of all show you how to turn off the timer. Basically, this is the same operation. Just tap on the three bars icon and tap on off. And from now on, your device should take photos right after touching the shutter button. But because of the night light, it is not. So you have to simply tap on this 2 seconds bar or icon. And now it is crossed out, which means that your device will actually take photos right after touching it. I mean touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.